So you ready for the test tomorrow?
No, I don't even know the formula yet.
Me either. Like, I emailed Mr. Thomas, and come on, and he told me that it was my fault that I didn't take notes.
What? Are you serious? He didn't even... Wow. How are we supposed to study?
I don't know. Like, I'm kind of nervous because, it's on the quadratic formula, and if we don't know the formula, how are we supposed to do it? It's kind of ridiculous.
I don't know.
This test is really stressing me out.
I can't believe this. It's only chapter 5.
I know, and these quadratic formulas, like... Okay.
I'm just really nervous for this test.
Hey, guys. I couldn't help but overhearing that you guys need a quadratic formula, and check it out.
How'd you know we were on chapter 5?
Dog, why is it spelled wrong? All of those words are spelled wrong.
Boy, why are you questioning me, dog? This says chapter 5 quadratic formula. Chapter 5 quadratic formula. You don't know who I is. Swear to God. Swear to God. Ask me all. Ooh, I swear to...
Hey, calm down, alright? I'm sorry.
Alright, man. I got a little out of hand, you know? You know what I'm saying? You don't know?
What is that? You know,
How much is the quadratic formula?
967.
967.
967.
967.
967.
$9.67?
Yeah, man. It's $9.67. I apologize. I don't even talk like this or just,
Well,
but it's convincing.
Can you come by our house tomorrow?
And then
For what?
just... We'll pay you tomorrow.
Why?
Because we don't have the money on us. We weren't expecting to buy something like this. We weren't. Can you just come by our house tomorrow, please?
I'll tell you what. Give me your address.
You see that blue car down there?
Yeah, I see that.
Right there.
Right there.
Oh, all right.
Just come by our house tomorrow and we'll give you the money, okay?
Yeah,
Better have it.
we will.
I'll get my boys.
Thanks. Thank you.
That doesn't look too hard.
He spelled quadratic formula wrong again.
Yeah, but I mean, at least the numbers seem right. So let's just get started studying.
You want to take a seat? Test on the desk. Begin.
He shouldn't have been.
Stop talking!
Sorry.
What you just said? Oh. You got something? Okay.
What is it?
Sir?
What do we do when we're done with it?
Just go, put it in the basket.
Alright.
You know the procedure.
Hold on, restart that.
Alice, I got your test. Come on. Pick up the pace. Where are you going?
Alex!
Get over here! Oh!
I mean, really? Really? We were up most of the night, and I knew that formula by heart.
I know, like, Mr. Thomas put on the test, and he told me that the reason why we got it wrong was because the formula was wrong. It was completely wrong. And I memorized the formula. I mean...
That makes no sense. He said this would be right. I thought we were going to ace it then.
Like, that dude told us that that was correct formula. And look, we use it correctly. You know what? That's it. I'm calling Ignatius.
Call from 10.
Hey party people, get on your feet, no matter how you wanna fake it, down the beat, nothing to it but to do it, get up out of your seat, no matter where you wanna go, from the club to
Hey, Ignatius, can you come over? We're having some problems with the quadratic formula.
Oh, yes. I can. Gladly. Gladly. I'll be right over. Alright.
Thanks, man. See you soon.
So what did he say?
He said he's coming over. He'll be here in a minute.
Okay. So do you think Mike meant to give us the wrong formulas?
I mean, I don't think he did, but still, he's a math dealer. He shouldn't be selling us the wrong formulas, because it could be dangerous.
True.
Hey, thanks,
Oh.
Ignatius, for stopping
Hey. How you doing?
by. We have a little problem with our quadratic.
The quadratic formula,
Yeah,
correct.
you can go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for letting me in. Well, let's just get this formula done and I'll be moving on.
All right, thanks. We had a math test today, right?
Yeah.
And we both failed the test. Okay.
Wow.
But basically, because we used this formula that a guy gave us that told us to.
He's a math dealer. He was right down the street on the corner.
Math dealer?
Yeah, he sells formulas and stuff like that.
Whoa.
But
We need to
but
take
we were
him
wondering.
down.
We were wondering, like, I put the here's
Well, I mean, it says quadratic
here's Alice's
formula. It
Like-
doesn't even say
That's mine.
Did we do it right?
a F plus. I don't. What is a F plus? Trash.
Well, can you
Well,
teach
this
us
is
the right way?
completely incorrect. It doesn't even have. Okay, here we go. Alright, so here's the correct formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a. Alright, now here's an example. We have x squared minus x equals 5x minus 9. Now here we have to set the equation equal to 0, where we subtract 5 and add 9. Here we got x squared minus 6 plus 9 equals 0.
You mean 6x and 5x, right?
Yes, thank you. A is the first term, B is the second term, and C is the third term. Here, A equals 1, B equals negative 6, and C equals 9. Alright, and then we plug it back into the formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a. So, we got the negative b, where b is already negative, so it'll be a positive, and plus or minus negative 6 in parentheses squared minus 4 times 1, because this variable does not have a coefficient, therefore it's 1, times 9, all over 2 times 1. 6 plus or minus 36 minus 36, all over 2, and here we simplify, and we get 6 over 2 equals 3.
Wait, I have a question. What do you do with this thing?
The square root?
Yeah, what do you do with that? Like, how?
It's
where
a
does that
0,
go?
so it's
You don't have a square root.
no
of 0?
square root of 0.
Oh, okay. And so basically, since there's nothing there, you just cancel that out.
You just
and,
cancel it?
and it would be 6 over 2 equals 3.
Yes.
Right? Well, what if, say, this 0 was a 9?
Okay.
What would happen then?
Alright. Well, I came prepared. Here we go. 6 plus or minus the square root of 9 divided by 2 equals 6 plus or minus 3, because the square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Over 2 equals 6 plus 3 divided by 2, and 6 minus 3 divided by 2.
You have to do both of them?
You have to do both of them because you can only take plus or minus the square root, because you can have negative 3 times negative 3,
So once-
which equals 9, and positive 3 times positive 3, which equals 9.
So once the square root is gone, you plus and minus it.
Yes, sir.
All
yes,
right.
sir. You got it. All right. Here you simplify. You simplify this one, and you get 9 halves, and here you get 3 halves.
Okay, that seems easy.
Yeah.